I'm feeling like a true grandma tonight because it's not even 9 p.m. and I am so tired, but I'm having a couple friends stay over this weekend. So I need to clean both the guest rooms and our guest bathroom, and I will hate myself if I leave it until tomorrow. And I also know I'm gonna fall asleep if I sit on this couch for 5 minutes, so I need to get up and let's get to cleaning. Is this you helping? You're guarding the slippers? This bedding is dry, so I'm gonna go put this on one of the guest beds.